Hi guys, I am back. Okay, I am back. And somebody leave me a message. Hi, Eds and William. I'm here to Kong Kong style talking. This is my second film of the day about jealousy, and this is about the politics. Okay, Obama win. Obama. What the heck? If you're a Donald Trump supporter, congratulations. And if you are Hillary Clinton supporters, I'm sorry. All we have to do is hope for the best, okay? We're just gonna hope for the best. So, Donald Trump won the game, okay? Donald Trump and Hillary Clinton. The Donald McDonald's and the Hillary Clinton. Last night I was watching the election, and I'm waiting until 1:30, until 2 o'clock, until 3 o'clock. And I tell you, a lot of drama everywhere. There's a lot of freaking drama everywhere. Donald Trump win, let it be. Okay, let it be and let it go. There's a lot of drama in Facebook. I'm one of them. I'm one of those people posting, post. There's a lot of people on Facebook that, oh, let's go back to our country, to the Philippines, because I don't like the president. Okay, go home. Okay, let it go and accept the reality that Donald Trump won, okay? And Hillary Clinton loses. Oh my jeez. I'm kind of like, sad, happy, excited, no. You know what? People judge quickly, okay? Donald Trump broke all the book, cursing, mean. Hillary, the other candidate, are like soft-spoken and do this and do. Promise you, I will promise you that, I will promise you this and that. I'll promise you to get the moon back to you. Duterte, remember Duterte? Duterte and Donald Trump is way different. Duterte is way better, of course. But of course, the mouth kind of thing, Duterte, it's the same thing with Donald Trump when it comes to they broke the code. And yeah, so it's kind of like that. But Duterte is way more better, of course. I feel really sad the people that did devote their heart and soul to this election to vote for Hillary, and then they bring their kids because they want to be part of the history that we thought she's going to win, the first woman president in the United States of America. But no, she loses. Some people are like saying, I hope we're become friends again, the Philippines and the United States. Okay, we're been friends forever. And then Duterte doesn't really broke the relationship, doesn't really do it. He just like talk about it, but it's not really officially broke. But you know what? It's nice when just like back together. Relationship is not broken. It's just need to be fixed properly and back to loving. Okay, back to loving. Love each other. A lot of people that, you know, would say, oh my God, Donald Trump, I don't know if he's a good president. I don't know if he's gonna be like the one. He's gonna be the. He's a lot of doing. He's gonna build the fence or a fence. Is that a fence? No, it's not a freaking fence. It's a wall. The wall of China. Okay, he's gonna do the wall in Mexico, in the boundary of America and Mexico. Oh my goodness. Okay, he says that. But before we judge him, we should wait what he can do. Okay, let's see if he can do it. If he can do it, let's be happy. If the majority of people vote for him is like want a change. If you don't like Hillary and she won, we don't really know. But seems like the history of his family, of her family, seems like people kind of know. What? Okay, people kind of know what's going on. It's gonna be the same story, the same old shit, like that. People vote for Trump, you know, they wanna take chances. They wanna see if Trump can really do it. I'm sorry if my pronunciation here is wrong, the grammar is wrong, but I'm just, you know, I'm just taking it out. What's in here, guys? What's in here? I'm sweating to death, guys. My armpits is wet. I need Donald Trump to wipe my armpits, okay? Yeah. Mr. President, you can wipe my armpits. Donald Trump's speech last night, this morning at I think 2 o'clock. I kinda feel the sincerity from his side, the sincerity of become a president and became willing to help. Okay, willing to help the American people. And also, when I heard the speech this morning of Hillary Clinton, it's kind of gives me teary eye because I feel the hurt, I feel the pain, but I kind of feel bad for her. And you know what, the people choosing the one, the American people choose who's the one, and American people want to see the change. I feel sad for Hillary Clinton. I hope Donald Trump can help the American people. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm gonna end this vlog. I'm gonna end this video now. It's a kind of hot now. Love, love, love everyone. Love, love, love everyone.